welcome to Cooking with Wade. Today we're going to be cooking pork roast. It's going to be butterflied and stuffed. And we are going to mince up some mushrooms and garlic and green onion. And also the herbs we're going to use are sage and rosemary. And
fresh from the garden.
Fresh from the garden, that's correct. And then, like I said, we're going to butterfly this out and stuff it up. Going to roll him back up, tie him real good, and then we're going to put the dry rub on the outside of him, and then we're going to put him up in the oven. We're going to cook him until we get to an internal temperature of 180 degrees, thereabouts. Okay? Well, we're going to start chopping and mincing, and we'll come back when we're going to butterfly the roast up, and then we'll stuff him up and show y'all how this works. We'll see you in a few. There it is.
There you go.
All right, we have all of our vegetables chopped. We got the garlic and the onion and the mushrooms, and all the herbs are done. So we're ready to start butterflying this little guy out, and we're going to come in and slice, roll him over and slice him. So we're probably going to end up with 3 different layers out of this one piece of meat. So here we go. We're going to come in here on the side, nice sharp knife for cutting.
Pretty. Look at
All right, there we are. Opened up. Now we're going to take all our veg and our mixed herbs, get these things together. And here we go. We're going to just sprinkle these in.
the fragrance is yum.
Yes, and we will have a note in here that lets you know exactly what the quantities are for this roast and the amount of vegetables and things that we have in it. So here we go. I'm going to roll. Nice little yummy dude. That's so cute, so pretty. All right, now let's take a little break here. We'll get the string out and we'll be ready to tie him up. All right, we're coming in with the string. We're going to come underneath here like this, come over with it, and we will do a double twist. 1 and 2. That will help hold it when you turn it loose. There you go. Cut that. Come over here, do it again. 1 and 2. Bring them in tight. Oops. Next time I'm going to have a little bit bigger string so we can do this properly, but right now we're just wrestling with what we got.
It's okay. That happens sometimes. You just gotta go with the girl you brought to the dance.
Ooh, damn it. And here we come again.
Cute little roast.
This is going to be a really nice little roast.
Super tasty. Y'all, I wish you could smell the fragrance of the herbs and such that he stuffed that with. Awesome.
All right, we're going to trim this up. And let's see where that is. Give that a trim. And I think we'll put one more right here in the middle of it, just to make sure everything stays together. And excellent.
Very good.
Very good. Now, we have our pan that we're going to roast it in here. And what we're going to do, we're going to get some of my dry rub, and we're going to give him a nice little dusting on the outside with the dry rub, and get him in the pan and get him in the oven. Get him starting to where you work. You don't want a real super heavy coating on him, just a little light dusting. And he's a little floppy on this end. I'm going to get another piece of string and put on him right here. Yum. There we go. And that's our roast. Perfect. Do a little cleanup. And we will be back shortly with the vegetables prepared to put in the pan so that they can roast with the roast while it's in the oven.
Okay, and we have there.
Yeah. Okay. Here we are. We are back. I have the carrots and the mushrooms and the potatoes all cleaned and chopped to the size we want them to be. We're going to put some olive oil on here and toss them, and then we're going to put some cracked black pepper, fresh pepper, and some sea salt. And after we get that done, we're going to take some of the rosemary and sage, the same stuff we stuffed inside of the pork roast, will be out here on the potatoes while they're roasting. So you get a little bit of your really nice organic olive oil. We're going to get us some black pepper here. Here we go. Yeah, we're going to get a nice good grinds of pepper on this. It's going to take quite a bit of pepper, right? And there's that. And we're going to get us some sea salt, nice coarse, all natural sea salt, no additives. And we're going to put this in here. Yeah. Excellent. Put on our herbs. The sage and the rosemary, looking good. Smelling good. Y'all should be here. This is just fantastic. And I'm going to give this a toss. Right, the mushies are all covered in oil. Everything's covered in oil. And that's a wrap. We're going to put this around the roast, and we're going to let these guys cook down until the roast is ready to come out of the oven. All right, there we go. Well, the vegetables are around the roast in the pan in the oven. We're going to give this about an hour, and we're going to check the temperature on the roast to see where it's at, and we'll be back at the end of an hour and let you know what it looks like.
Yep.
Yes, the roast has been in for an hour and 15 minutes. The vegetables are really nicely done. The potatoes are nice and soft. The roast is at 170 degrees at this point in time. We're about to take it out and cut the strings off of it, and we're gonna slice him open and see exactly what we have here. I think it's gonna be delicioso. So, taking out the thermometer. Yum. Little roast. There we go. Something to hold the roast with. There we go. Rippers.
Do you lick the string like you do the beaters?
Off camera.
Because it sure smells good.
It smells like you ought to just be chewing that up. Yum.
Hot.
It's hot. It's still hot.
Gotta have kitchen fingers.
That's it. I'm trying to get me some kitchen fingers. Ooh.
Ouch. Oh,
Almost owie owie. There we go. All right, there's that. Now let's get us a couple of little slices off of this guy and see just exactly how he's going to look.
Yum. Pretty. Very lovely. Perfectly done.
Oh, it is perfect. And it's still moist, still juicy.
Yum.
Yum.
How pretty.
Very pretty. And the vegetables are just, oh my goodness. The herbs are just jumping out of there. The sage is perfect. You can't quit. For free help, call 1-800-QUIT-NOW. All right, there's that. Let's get some taters and some veggies.
Look at all that good, just juice.
Oops.
Yeah, it escaped me for a minute.
Oh, and here's a nice whole piece of garlic for someone who loves garlic.
That's for Sissy.
There you go. Yeah.
And one for Uncle Leo, because he was going to need a little bit. So he
Yeah. 2 people have to eat that. You're right. Can't eat that alone.
No.
All right. There we go, guys, girls out there in video land. This is some really delicioso looking stuff, and it is ready to rock and roll.
You need to take a little bite.
I guess we have to do the obligatory
exactly how
tasty
it is.
taste.
Yes, indeed.
So here we go, tasty taste. Little piece off the end. There we go. Oh my goodness. You should really do this. This is delicious. Oh yeah. It's fantastic. Y'all have a wonderful time with this because I'm going to eat all of this myself. I'm not sharing it with anybody.
Bye, y'all.
Good night, y'all. Bye.